Greetings from Paris. Today I'm going to show you the rooftop where we are starting a food garden for a nursing home. So there are different terraces where we're going to install plants and planters and grow food. So I'm going to show you these places one by one. Let's start with the third floor terrace. We can see it right now. We're on the 6th floor. So from the 6th floor we can see that third floor. That's where we are gonna grow most of the food. In the surfaces, the geometric surfaces that you can see, and in planters that we are installing all around. It's 570 square meters. I can show it to you from another angle. So this is where the elderly people who have Alzheimer can walk around. It's completely safe for them, and next year when they walk around they will be able to look and eat some vegetables and berries. So this was the third floor. Then you have the small terrace of the 5th floor. Right here it's like 40 square meters. We're also going to grow some food here. And then on the other side you have the main terrace of the 5th floor. I call it 5A. 210 square meters. It's right here. And here. With a nice view on the public garden. So after this we have the rooftop where I am right now. We call it the 6th floor. It's 210 square meters as well. So I'm gonna just walk around so you can see it, maybe from the corner. It's made of gravels. That's where we can put some additional planters. And in here we have some solar panels. Look at the panoramic